Hello, today I'm in Dodge Ram. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the button for voice assistant. Simply press it to activate voice assistant and then say any command. Dial 12345.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say dial, correct, remove, or continue adding numbers.
Dial.
Dialing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press the hang up button on the steering wheel to end the call.
And that's it. Every time you enter any section, like radio, controls, media, apps, phone, compass or settings, and you activate the voice assistant, you'll get the best commands to use. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.